Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your microphone loud in Streamlabs OBS. If you look right here, I have my microphone added, and I have the correct one added, so we can double click in here at any point in time, go to device, make sure we have the correct one selected. Using my headset microphone for my just Xbox. And if we go on over here under the mixer, I typically like it in the middle of the yellow section, and we can adjust it by going to the left. We can decrease it. We can go to the right and increase it. Now, sometimes you'll be at this section and it's all the way maxed out and you're not able to increase it anymore. You want to add a filter to that microphone. Right click on it under sources and then go to filter. And we can go to edit filters. Now we want to go to add filter and then go to the filter type gain and add this. Then we can go to 0 and we can increase this until we get to the desired increase of microphone loudness. So sometimes it will be way too loud. Now I also like adding a compressor. This will make it sound like you're adding like a talk show host kind of thing on the radio. Noise gate. This will eliminate a lot of the background noise. And the same thing with like noise suppression. We can suppress the noise level. So I like adding those. And now you can see I'm way in the red section. We can adjust this now until we get back into the yellow section right here. So maybe like a negative 11 or 12 decibels. And I'm in the good section now. So if you're maxing out your microphone or it's just not loud enough, go ahead and try adding a gain. Now, sometimes on some of the microphones, like I can't remember what I have, but there will be a gain slider specifically on the back of the microphone. You might want to increase that. Sometimes when you increase it on the microphone, though, it becomes very distorted and staticky. So you want to maybe increase it to like 25%, 30% on the microphone, and then come into the software and then increase the gain. And that will eliminate like that static noise or the distortion you kind of get from it. Just having the gain up too loud on your microphone itself could be causing issues due in the software, and you should be good to go. Well, hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.